Welcome to Arthi's Education. Today we are going to learn how to solve problem set 34. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start our problem set. The first question is, write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. We know that prime numbers are numbers which has only two factors, 1 and number itself. So the prime numbers between 1 to 20 are, let's write it in our notebook. First question's answer is 2 is a prime number because it have 1 and 2 as a factor. Then 3 is our second prime number. It also have 1 and 3, means two factors. Now 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Because if you observe these numbers and find the factors, they have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So they are called prime numbers. Now our second question is, write all the composite numbers between 21 and 50. Now composite number means number which have more than two factors. So we have to find out the numbers between 21 and 50. So we are going to start from 21 here. 21 is the composite number because it have more than two factors. It comes in 1's table, it comes in 3's table, it comes in 7's table and 21's table. So 21 is a composite number. So 21, 22, 24, 25, all the numbers which have more than two factors are comes in the name of a composite number. 26 also composite number. 27, 28, 29 is not a composite number. It is a prime number. So we are not going to write here 29. 30 is a composite number. 32 is also a composite number. Then 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39. 39 have the factors 1, 3, then 13. So it has more than two factors. 40, 42, 44, then 45 is also a composite number. 46, 48, 49 and 50. These are the composite numbers between 21 to 50. Now question number 3. Question number 3's question is, circle the prime numbers in the list given below. Here they give some numbers and we have to find prime numbers between these numbers. So let's write these numbers in our notebook first and then we are going to encircle them. The numbers are 22, 37, 43, 48, 53, 60, 91, 57, 59, 77, then it's 79, 97 and 100. Now let's find out the prime numbers amongst them. Look at 22. 22 have more than 2 factors. Then 37 is a prime number because it have only 2 factors, 1 and 37. 43 also a prime number. It has only 2 factors. 48 is not a prime number. Then 53 is also a prime number because it have only 2 factors, 1 and 53. Then 59 have 2 factors and 97. These are the prime numbers between given numbers. If you notice the numbers or find the factors of that numbers, you can easily solve such type of questions. So for each you have to write the prime numbers between 1 to 100 and composite numbers between 1 to 100. You have to find out it by yourself, so you can easily solve this type of questions and there's nothing difficult for you. So at least one time you have to find yourself these numbers, make a list, and it is easy to you. Now question number 4. Which of the prime numbers are even numbers? Now even numbers, only 2 is the number that is even in prime numbers. Otherwise all the numbers are odd numbers. So only 2 is the even number which is the prime number. So let's write here 2 is even number or you can write 2 is only prime number which is even. This is the solution of our problem set 34. Practice it. Recite the definitions of prime number and composite number. Find out the numbers between 1 to 100 which are prime and composite, so you can easily solve this type of problem set and this type of questions. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.